Hello friends, good to see you all on another video. Today, our topic is GST valuation. It's very important and interesting topic. As per section 15 of the CGST Act, the price actually paid or payable should not be a related person. Transaction value. These are the core words we have to take it from section 15. There is a big question, sir. I am spending a lot of money for customer, and how to collect it? Whether I have to include this in the price or not is the question. Any taxes paid, any fees paid, any charges paid, except GST, need to be collected with GST from the customer. In case there is a packing charges, there is an incidental charges. All those things need to be included. Okay, sir, you told me that no, we have to include so many things. Is there anything can be excluded? Yes, of course. Trade discount, that can be excluded. Quantity discount, that can be excluded. These are things which is allowed under the Act that we need to follow. Discount in terms of pre-supply agreement is always allowed. We cannot say that discount is passed after that supply. So that's a different issue per se. But any pre-supply discount agreed in written format is always allowed. For an example, suppose the discount is not agreed, but it was given later. Naturally, the input tax credit with related to the discount portion need to be reversed. If it is not agreed earlier, obviously this need to be reversed. There are a couple of circulars like circular number 92, circular number 105 issued with regard to the valuation, especially on discount, etc. It is better to go through it completely before taking a final call on the valuation. The valuation rules primarily comes under Rule 27. Suppose what is the factor which determines the value of the particular product. Generally, they say open market value. Every seller will determine what is the price for the product, what's the value for the product. How the department values it, we always compare with the open market valuation. Suppose there can be a possibility of the money or a consideration other than the money. So that also need to be looked at with regard to valuation. There can be a possibility saying that this is a different kind of goods, this is different quality of goods, that is why the value is different. Yes, there is a possibility, it can be established also. In case the value is not determinable, at least 10% markup need to be there. 100 rupees means 110, like 10% markup need to be there. Now, the department comes up with a fantastic wording. Reasonable means. What is this reasonable means? They can always find a value as reasonable means, which you cannot even predict. They can say this is reasonable means. So, definitely there is a question of how the value need to be arrived. I'll give you a couple of examples, it will be more easier to understand. Assuming that you are buying a mobile phone for 20,000 rupees. They are exchanging the old mobile phone and giving you a 4,000 rupees reduction in the price. So, in what value the GST need to be charged? It is on 24,000 rupees. That's what you need to understand. I'll put it otherwise. A company is supplying laptop for 40,000 rupees. They are also giving a free printer along with the laptop. Say if the printer alone sold separately, it is costing 4,000. In this case, the valuation is 44,000 rupees. As per Rule 28, the valuation between distinct person and related person, distinct means the same PAN number, and related person, these rules are slightly different. Who are the related person? This is a general question asked at many times. It was explained by everybody. Everybody they are calling they are related, they are related. How it is determined? Suppose the officers are related. Yes, it is related. If the directors of the company, I mean the same person is director in two companies. This man is director in that company. That person is director in this company. Yes, related. Legal partners in a business are related. Employer and employees are related. Suppose I have more than 25% of stake in a company. It is related. Suppose either one of them directly or indirectly controls each of them is related, or both of them are controlled by somebody else is also related, or both of them controlling somebody also related. I told you all the three scenarios. Suppose you are selling it through somebody else who are also selling it in the market, then what will be the price? In the cost, you can sell up to 90% value. It need to be at least 90% value because he is going to sell it on the base price. So at least 90% of the base price you can sell it to the person who is selling it in the market. Now, there are several questions which is arising on this valuation. Valuation is a big subject. Definitely we need to discuss a lot about this subject. First of all, what happened to the lotteries? How the value is fixed? What about the betting, gambling and all other things? How the value is fixed? Suppose you buy a foreign currency. How the value is fixed? Suppose the agent is taking air travel ticket. What is the consideration? How the value is fixed? Life insurance business? Yes, that need to be looked at for the valuation. How about the second-hand goods? We know what is the price of the or value for the original goods. How about the second-hand goods? How to fix the valuation? Gift vouchers, coupons, etc. been distributed. What is the value? How to determine the value for such things? All those factors are very much vital today on determining the valuation of the goods. There is a big challenge in the market. Now, after 6 years of GST, GST officials are slowly showing interest on the valuation, and they will drag it for last 6 years. Please understand. I know you'll have a lot of queries and questions. You are always welcome to mail us, contact us for helping you on such valuation of your own service or products. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and relatives and the needy persons. Subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, like our video. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.